My memory technique or mnemonic for valence electrons and Lewis electron dot symbols. I started with familiarizing the periodic table. I found a video on YouTube on how to memorize the periodic table, and I found this video. We remember music lyrics the same way we remember other things, by repeating it again and again. But I find it easier to listen to music than to read notes because it is more fun to sing along. I also realized that we could compose sentences using the atomic symbols of each element. Now let's move on to valence electrons. In chemistry and physics, a valence electron is an outer shell electron that is associated with an atom and that can participate in the formation of a chemical bond if the outer shell is not closed. In a single covalent bond, both atoms in the bond contribute one valence electron in order to form a shared pair. I made an example using hydrogen, lithium, sodium, argon, and neon. He went to the library to read about narrative articles in the newspaper. Now let's talk about the Lewis dot structure. A Lewis electron dot diagram is a representation of the valence electrons of an atom that uses dots around the symbol of the element. The number of dots equals the number of valence electrons in the atom. These dots are arranged to the right and left and above and below the symbol with no more than 2 dots on the side. For example, phosphorus has 5 valence electrons. I just familiarized myself with the number of valence electrons of each element and just placed them around the atomic symbol to create a Lewis dot structure. Here are some other examples. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, sulfur has 6, fluorine has 7, and calcium has 4.